Hello, my name is Beauty and I am from Zimbabwe. I am studying computer science at BINUS University International and I'm currently in my 6th semester. So today I'm going to be debunking 5 misconceptions about computer science. So these are some of the misconceptions that I myself had before doing computer science, and I believe many people have too. So let's get into it. So the first one is that computer science is equal to programming. I think this is a huge misconception because while computer scientists or computer science students are expected to be able to program, it's not all that they do. They actually engage in many other different tasks like designing databases, designing applications, networking, hacking, lots of things to do which are far from programming. And actually, I think the moment of truth comes when you're in a job interview and you realize that the employer is actually looking for much more than the ability to code. Okay. The second one is that you need to be really good in mathematics in order to do computer science. I don't think that's true at all, because most of the computational problems that you find, you can basically do all of them with basic mathematics, algebra and statistics. But that being said, there are also very complicated tasks like in machine learning and computer graphics that require more complex solutions. But like I said in the previous one, computer science is very broad. You don't have to do those kind of courses, or you don't have to do that kind of job if you're not good in mathematics. There is something in computer science that you can do other than complex mathematical problems. Okay, the other misconception is that old computer science is now obsolete. Like, for example, artificial intelligence, right? Everyone is hyped about artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, all that stuff. And they think that, you don't have to learn about the other stuff like the foundations, the first principles of computer science. Actually, artificial intelligence dates back to 1950s, but now it's gaining traction because people have found a new way to approach it. Like before, they were using basically written steps that the computer is supposed to follow, so it was rule based. But now they are allowing the machines to learn on their own. So it's a different approach, but it's a concept that has been around for many decades, right? So while it's good to learn machine learning and data science and all the other new trends, it's also good to learn the basic principles. And it's not that bad that you want to do web design or web development instead of machine learning. It's different for everyone. Personally, I prefer programming. I am interested in machine learning, but it doesn't mean that I don't think developing websites is cool or mobile applications are bad. There are all new technologies or new frameworks being made each and every day, and all the subfields are interesting. Really, it just depends with what you want to do. So don't think that you have to do machine learning or data science in order to have a job in the future or something like that. So coming down to this, computer science is going to be required for every job in the future. Basically, computer science is the future. I don't think that's true. I mean, most of the jobs are going to incorporate technology, in almost every aspect. Most of them are going to be autonomous and stuff like that. But it doesn't mean that other jobs are going to be consumed by computer science. Only computer science students are going to have jobs in the future. I don't think that's true. Computer science students might make some technologies or basically tools for some of the people who didn't do computer science to use. just like how it works right now. People are doing business, they're like, okay, I'm selling this and I want a website. Computer science student creates the website for the business, you know. It's like all the jobs are going to be interdependent. Although there will be more technology in the future, it doesn't mean that all the jobs are going to be based on computer science. I don't think that's true at all. So if that's your reason for doing computer science, I think you can relax and just choose a major that you want. Okay, so the final one is that computer science is for nerds, for geeks, hackers, whatever. It's something that I get a lot of times. Like whenever I mention my major to someone who doesn't do computer science, they immediately assume that you are super smart or you are not social at all. I don't know why. It's like a stereotype, I think. But then it doesn't matter because there are lots of different people in computer science. It's for everyone, including you, if you want to try it. So that's all from me, and I am going to conclude by saying that if you want to do computer science, just go for it. It's a really good program. And I was skeptical at first because I had zero programming background, but then after doing it I was like, okay, this is fun. It's actually a nice program, and I think even if I were to choose again, I would still choose computer science.